Hello friends, this is Saubhagya and you are watching Add and Click. In this video, we'll discuss how to upscale your image resolution with added details in from Windows 10. I have used a simple app and it's an Android app, but yes, this tutorial covers two things: how to use Android app in your PC and how to get your things done. So first you have to open BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an kind of OS within Windows 10 operating system. It's a kind of program that can help you. And here is home and go to my games. And here you can get your installed apps. And the app name is Remini, Remini. I couldn't install here, so what I did, I downloaded the APK version and I installed from here. So as simple as that. So this is the tab to upscale your image, and by default it turns like this, and I'm going for full screen. I prefer full screen. Now go to sorry, go to enhance. Before that, there is a small thing to do. Here is a media manager. In media manager you may need to import files. I have imported these two files recently to show you a demo. So when you click here import, and you can go to your my computer and you can import necessary files, and I already imported two files. So after import you see the files here, then come to Remini and go to enhance. These are old images. I'm going for enhancing this. Let me go first this is a screenshot from an old black and white movie, a movie of 1960s, 1962 or 63. So you can crop it additionally. This is a small image, so it's just fitting here, and if you go for 1:1, so that is additionally cropped, and tick OK. Now tick here, creating task. Here is you need little patience. This
एलआईसी
is
हाउसिंग
not a
फाइनेंस का
free
ब्याज दर है
app.
बेहद कम, सिर्फ 6.9%। ईएमआई पर छूट जैसे कई फायदे पाएं, आज ही अपना
You
घर
have
बनाएं।
to see this ad, and after that only it uh, enables you to do an image editing. Per day you can edit 5 images like this, and here is the details. You can see the details is visible, and what I do, I rotate it. After rotation you get a better clarity. Now you can see that things have been well detailed. There is nothing, and the app has added a titanium frame or platinum. Anyway, yes, you can see the details added here, and further there is a one more review. You can slide it like this. See, from nothingness it gives a clear cut notch. The tooth is there are two teeth visible here, approximated, and here you get clear visibility of two teeth. Eye is nowhere, and you just see eyes with eyelid and everything. I find one thing, the spec, although it gives clarity, but sometimes the spec frame is not up to the mark, but okay, Let us not expect AI to do everything, and we are artists or we are graphic designers and we have also something to do. So this is how it comes. I noticed one thing: after you render it, after you save it, it doesn't give you enough clarity. What I do, I go for a print screen. This is a print screen app. I did gave a command of print screen, and here you can take the screenshot. This way I get better clarity, but unfortunately what you see here is not rendered in the final image. In the final image I have seen it loses 10-20% clarity, and this is a better version, so I go with screenshot version. I just take, and if you have a 4K monitor, then you get a better picture. Then you get approx 4 into 8 megapixel picture, and here mine is a full HD monitor, so I get a 2 megapixel picture, 2 into, yes, 2 megapixel picture. That is okay for my needs, and this much clarity, and you don't expect so much from in image enhancement. In my view, 2K 2 megapixel image is enough for detailing something. So this was my experience. I took, I literally, I googled it. I didn't find an exact procedure. I just sorted the things, because this is a combination of three variables, and that is how I am defining the process. And in YouTube I didn't find this process flow. The process flow is: first installed BlueStack, then within BlueStack install Remini, and open Remini and import files. Then uh, after processing the image, take the best out of it with a screenshot. So BlueStacks Remini plus screenshot, this gives you the best result. That is my learning, and I'll show you another example, then I will close this video. Let us, I don't know how much it will render from this. This is too much of a task for AI. Let us see what it does. I don't know. uh, Crop, okay, okay, there will be an ad after this, but I'm not sure how much it will
एलआईसी
be
हाउसिंग
able
फाइनेंस का ब्याज दर है बेहद कम,
to
सिर्फ 6.9%। ईएमआई
detect.
पर छूट जैसे कई फायदे पाएं, आज ही अपना घर बनाएं।
Shall I close it? So it has started detailing. Let us see. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You just see, you just see, you just see. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. You see, from nothingness it has created this image. This is a very useful image, particularly for criminal investigation, and even cinematic freedom or cinematic recreation or old photo retouching. It has many applications, and even if I rotate, you still get to see the details. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So the face may not be the exact face, but I would say what do you expect from here? Here there is no data, no data literally, and the hairstyle remains same, the ear remains same, and it recognizes that there is a spectacle and it has reconstructed a spectacle. But you also can see the spectacle doesn't end anywhere. It just, the glasses are not symmetric. I think in upcoming versions they may look into it, but certainly this is a great app and I'm quite satisfied with it. I've been using, and I'm not a hardcore graphic designer. 5 per day is enough for me. I don't use 5 every day. Whenever I think for this tutorial I'm using 2, and today I don't have, this is not my regular stuff or my regular cup of tea. So but yes, I am quite convinced with the result, and this is the best app I have. seen some scopes are there in Photoshop, but to my finding, I have used 3 or 4 apps. Remini remains the best. Just remember this app, and even you will see it has 4.7 star rating in Google Play. A great app, and very much useful. So that's it for the tutorial. If you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, please write below. I'll try to answer it. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.